one of the ingredients that we're using for our vegetables here is leeks. Leeks are a very interesting vegetable here, and it's the way you process it. Most vegetables, you clean the outside, you wash the outside, and you're good to go. Now, leeks are like onions in that they have layers, just like ogres. Okay? And so, if you notice, it's open. Well, open means it's open on the bottom, it's going to be open on the top too. Dirt and stuff can get down in there. Now, when you're doing leeks, the part that you want to cook with is about that part right there. And even this, some of this can be trimmed off if you want to. I like a little bit of green. And what we'll do is we'll take the leaves and we'll put them in my Ziploc here of vegetable scraps, because I'm going to take the bones once the braised beef is done. The dogs will get their tacks, and then the rest of them I'm going to make beef stock. And so we'll use this for the beef stock. So then, once we cut the leaves off, you want to cut the base off as well. I'll close that bag a little early there.
Yeah, that could make a really good vegetable stew.
Oh yeah.
That bag of scraps.
I'll do it in a minute. So now that we got it opened up, see if I can show you what I'm talking about here with the dirt. Cut it in half. So if you look in here, there's little bits of dirt and sand and stuff inside of here. So what you do is you take your stuff, you open it up all the way. See here? You see all that dirt in there?
Yep.
Is you take your stuff, you open it up. Before you dice it, take it. I've got a bowl of water here. And you put it all in a bowl of water and just let everything open up in there. And the sand and the debris and stuff will come out and stay in the bottom of the bowl.